Most product demos don't fail because the product itself is bad. They fail because the demo is confusing, it's too long, or it doesn't get to value fast enough. So in February, we shipped a bunch of new updates to fix just that, including features that audit and grade your demo instantly and tells you exactly what to change, plus a bunch of workflow upgrades that make creating and polishing demos way faster and easier than ever before. I'm Joseph from Supademo, and here are the biggest updates from February ranked by impact. First up, AI Demo Audits. Choose any Supademo from your workspace, select your use case and intent, and our trained AI audit agent will analyze it like a conversion-focused demo expert. You get a clear audit score along with the why behind it, get specific tips to improve performance, and the best part, one-click application of our recommended changes all in seconds. So whether you're using demos for website conversion, sales follow-ups, or simple instructional content, you no longer need to guess what to improve. You get a prioritized checklist that you can use to ship better demos immediately. This feature is progressively rolling out to customers from the end of February to early March, so check your Supademo dashboard for access. Next, AI data editing is now out of beta with big upgrades. You can now duplicate elements, add or modify table data, remove, hide, blur, or redact sensitive data, and prompt design-related changes like colors, backgrounds, and rich text just by typing. Editing is also more stable than ever before, it's more performant, and it's faster than ever. Now, a pure speed upgrade for our power users. Apply all cropping, alignment, blurring, and annotations across all of your slides. So if you need to blur out the same logo on the top left across your entire dashboard demo, you want to crop out the browser bar across all slides, or apply consistent alignment and annotations for your demo, you can now do it once and apply it across the entire demo. If you build screenshot or video step heavy demos, this one is going to save you a ridiculous amount of time. For anyone using video splitting or building demos from a video, we redesigned the video editor inside the demo edit page. Splitting is smoother, trimming is cleaner, and the timeline is more precise than ever before. This complete video editing redesign makes the experience way more professional and like a real editor and less like a workaround. Related to videos, we also shipped a brand new design for demo playback controls across all demo types. This new design consolidates volume, full screen, pausing and playing, translations, and commenting and more into a simple bar that hides and shows at the bottom of the screen without covering any of your demo frame. This is especially helpful for cases where you need to add hotspots in the corners of your demo frame, and it can be turned on or off in your demo settings at any time. Finally, here are some last set of updates. The Chrome extension just got smarter, so you get fewer weirder recordings. We now warn you when your aspect ratio is less than ideal with a one-click button to resize to recommended dimensions. Similarly, when you have too many tabs open while recording that could slow things down, we'll warn you in advance. And when we auto-detect sites with slow HTML, heavy code, or heavy CSS, there is a new option to speed up recording with a simple toggle in the extension, and of course, we'll warn you before. Our goal here is to help you get cleaner captures, fewer surprises, and consistent captures every single time without having to think about it. And one quick teaser before we wrap up. RouteHub is arriving soon. RouteHub is our new way to serve hyper-personalized content across demos, videos, PDFs, and more based on viewer preferences, behavior, and interests. Across prospecting, qualification to sales enablement after a demo, this helps you route your viewers to the right experiences and the right content faster than ever before. If you want an early look at what RouteHub is and how it will work, check out the link below or in the QR code right here. So if you remember one thing from February, it's AI Demo Audits. It's the fastest way to upgrade your demo without any guesswork. And if you're creating a ton of demos, I recommend checking out AI Data Editing, as well as Apply All Editing, which will save you hours every single week. That's it for February, but drop us a comment or message us with what you'd like us to ship next, and I'll see you in the next update. Thanks.